Well, hello, this is Laura with Untitled Typewriter. So glad you joined me today. This is a 1932 Underwood 4-bank with black gloss finish, and it's in really good condition. There's some wear on this one, but you can see that for being almost 100 years old, the decals are still in really good shape. This one happens to have typewriter covers, matching typewriter covers that go over the ribbon, not typewriter covers, what did I say? Ribbon spool covers that go over the spools there. And so that's a fun find. Okay, so let's take a look at this typewriter, and it's portable, comes with a case. And so to move the carriage, usually we see a lever behind the handles on each side, but here it's just on the right side. It's on the top of the carriage, and you just press it down. And that releases your carriage, and the bell is really dainty and faint. Okay, and so then you release that. This little button is going to release the tension on the paper so that you can adjust. If it's, if it loads crooked, then you can make that adjustment. Now, right here is your margins, and so you just kind of squeeze and drag along. This is like a grooved, gosh, I can't even think of the word, but anyway, you can see all the grooves on here, and that's where you set your margins, and then just flip that back plate back over. Now, there's no tabs on this machine. This is just a really basic typewriter. The handle is really teeny tiny, and that's because this is a portable. It's supposed to be really compact and easy to move around. So one of the downsides is they made the return handle a lot smaller, which can be a little frustrating to use. If you try to use this little handle here, it's not going to do a very good job of returning. But if you put your hand like this, then it's going to return a lot easier. Okay, so you can see the ribbon spools, and what you do is you just squeeze one end or the other to pop them off, and I hesitate to do it because they do take a little bit of a few minutes to do it. Hold on. Okay, so there it came off. So what it does is there's two grooves on each side, and the best thing is to put it in on one side, flip it over, and then kind of squeeze it into the little area right there to pop that in. Now here is a universal ribbon. We've put on new plastic spools. It's a universal 2-inch ribbon, and you can get replacement ribbons on our website at jotantittletypewriters.com. Now, if you prefer to have a metal spool, we do have those available on our website. Just go and look for the ones where we hand wind the ribbons, and then you can choose if you want a metal spool or a plastic spool. The benefit with our hand wound spools is that we put a lot of extra ribbon on that spool, and it's going to last you even longer. So even though these have a short amount of ribbon, there's still a lot of ink, and it's going to last you a long time. You just need to remember to reverse the direction. And to do that, it's going to be on the right side here, and you can see this metal bar sticking out, and you just shift back and forth, and that is your ribbon reversal. So keep an eye on your typewriter font as you're going. If it starts getting faint, or if you feel like you see the ribbon getting real tight, or if the keys start feeling different, or they even kind of lock up on you, most of the time it's just you need to reverse the direction of your ribbon. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a typing demo. I'll put this back on and we'll get started. Okay, so you just put your paper against this back plate, and you just set it there. You don't need to shove it down or push it through, and just set it there, and then turn the handle, and that'll pull the paper through. Bring this metal bar forward. Oops. And so sometimes, like what it did there, especially on these older ones, sometimes there'll be pieces of metal that the paper will get caught on, and what it had done is it gotten caught on this little piece up front, and so just kind of watch for that. Okay, I think I told you, here's the color selector, black, red, and then we're going to go over here And I haven't set the margins. Let's double check the margins. That looks good. I'm kind of making a mess. All right, so this is there's no number 1, so you do lowercase l. This is a 1932 Underwood portable. And this is a great collector item to have. And not only that, but it works. And this is called a 4-bank. Oops, I did the, okay. When you make a mistake, you backspace, and then you just X through it. Oh, I didn't backspace the note. So this is a 4-bank. Let's test out the shift lock. This type's so nice. I wouldn't type a book on this. I mean, you could, but I would reserve this for special occasions, maybe, or occasional writing, creative writing. Okay, so let's go ahead and test all the keys really quick. That shift lock works really well. Okay, so there you go. This works really well. I'll take a picture of this, post it on a website. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks so much for watching, and you'll have a great day.